The snow leopard. Tucked away in the cold, arid, and barren mountain climate of Central Asia resides the snow leopard. Referred to as the mountain ghost by locals, the snow leopard's scientific name is Panthera unica. Other members of the Panthera genus include the tiger, lion, jaguar, and leopard. The leopard and the snow leopard are the smallest of the genus, with an adult snow leopard averaging about 40 kilograms and a height between 4 to 5 feet. However, the snow leopard has more genetic similarities to the tiger than to the leopard. Snow leopards have a huge variation in their home range, with some studies reporting a home range as small as 12 to 29 square kilometers, and others reporting a range as large as anywhere between 100 and 1,000 square kilometers, according to the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, abbreviated as IUCN. The significant home range variation can be attributed to their largely solitary lifestyle and altitudinal migrant movement pattern, creating an expansive disbursement throughout Central Asia. This area is estimated to be between 1.2 and 1.6 million square kilometers throughout 12 countries: China, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Russia, Mongolia, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. They are found in elevations between 500 and 5,800 meters. However, the majority of the population reside in elevations of 3,000 to 5,000 meters. Despite the vast territory, fewer than 10,000 snow leopards remain, with over half habiting the Tibetan Plateau. Snow leopards are considered a top predator and in several areas are the only large mammalian carnivore. Since different regions of the 12 countries provide different wild animals to prey on, snow leopards prey on small animals like marmots, hares, and certain large birds, but can also hunt and kill animals 3 times their body weight. The larger wild animals are usually caprids, consisting of the blue sheep known as the baral, the ibex, the argali sheep, and the largest goat species, the makor. The average adult snow leopard has a basal metabolic rate of roughly 1,005 kcals per day and a field metabolic rate of around 3,015 kcals per day. Their estimated daily food requirement is around 1.5 to 2.3 kilograms, meaning in a year an adult snow leopard can consume close to 900 kilograms of meat. The sympatric relationship between the snow leopard and the blue sheep, or baral, causes the blue sheep to constitute around half of the snow leopard's complete diet. The average blue sheep weighs between 35 and 75 kilograms, meaning the snow leopard can eat around 20 blue sheep per year. Snow leopards do not just prey upon wild animals. They also prey upon domestic cattle, like sheep and cows. The majority of the humans that live in the same land as the snow leopards are herders and farmers, which means that the snow leopards preying upon their cattle results in retaliation and persecution, despite the snow leopards not being known for exhibiting aggression towards humans. Poaching has been the largest contributing factor to the snow leopard's decline, with an estimate of 200 to 450 snow leopards being killed per year, which averages out to between 2 and 10% of the entire population. This led to the World Wildlife Fund and other conservationist organizations to introduce large numbers of yak as a domestic cattle for the farmers and herders. Although snow leopards have been demoted from the endangered status in 2008 to the vulnerable status as of 2017, the IUCN has projected a decline of at least 10% over the next 3 generations. This may not seem like a drastic decrease. However, the generation length has decreased from 8 years in 2008 to just 7.54 in 2013. Dr. Rodney Jackson, founder of the Snow Leopard Conservancy and widely considered to be the leading expert on snow leopards, believes that the best long-term and sustainable conservation strategy is through support within the local communities in order to, quote, transform conflict into coexistence, end quote. While it's disheartening to know that humans play a significant factor into the decline of the snow leopard population, the benefit is that the solution is definitely feasible.